I've been in the entrepreneurship space for about 8 years now, since I was in secondary school, and I've tried everything under the sun. I've tried SMMA, I've tried e-com, I've tried trading, I've tried reselling clothes on Depop, freelancing, you name it. And I've also been able to help 80 plus people make their first money online. And as someone as well who's been able to grow his coaching business to 10K months, 15K months, 20K months at the age of 23. As someone who's also dropped out of university after his first year, went in overdraft, being broke, being lost and directionless, there's a few traits that I've noticed when it comes to people who've done very well for themselves in online business and in entrepreneurship in general. And it doesn't matter if they've never sold a thing online, if they've been trying a bunch of things like I did. This one trait always seems to apply for everyone I've seen who's made their first money online or has gone into make 5-6 figures a month even. And I'm not going to talk about hard work, resilience, knowledge, intelligence, all that stuff. I'm going to talk about this very one thing that I've noticed when it comes to people who've done very well for themselves. And that one thing is focusing on one skill and becoming extremely competent at that certain skill or skill set. So let me explain. When I think back to my journey over these past 8 years, wondering why did I have to go through these certain trials and tribulations? Why did I have to go broke? And all the quote unquote bad things that have happened to me, it's easy for me to say, why couldn't have the path been a lot easier? But the truth of the matter is, it's just because we're not good enough. At the end of the day, you get paid in correlation to the value that you provide for the world. And if you're not providing any sort of value or very little value, then you'll get paid in relation to that. So for example, you look at Elon Musk, you look at Jeff Bezos. They're trying to send freaking rocket ships to the moon, provided immense value to the world at a large span, and I've been in the game for a long time. Going back to what I said earlier about being in entrepreneurship since 2018, trying everything under the sun, it not really working out, I look back in hindsight and I realized I wasn't good enough. And that's just why I wasn't getting paid. For example, when I tried to do coaching when I was in university and balancing it with lectures, I just wasn't good enough. I didn't know how to market myself effectively. I didn't know how to build an offer. I didn't know all these different skill sets. And then the moment that I got into appointment setting, and instead of trying to learn all these different skills at once, I focused on one skill. That was the moment where everything clicked. That was the moment where even from my parents' house, from my bedroom, where bear in mind, I was sharing a bunk bed with my little brother because my parents thought I would finish uni and I would stick with it. They didn't expect me to come back home that easily. That was the environment I was able to make my first $1,000 in a week, $2,000 in a week, 2K a month, 3K a month, and then eventually 4 or 5K a month as an appointment setter. And this is the same thing I'd recommend you guys to do first, is instead of, let's say you see this new opportunity, you see YouTube automation, you see AI agencies. From my personal experience, I was a lot more successful by trying to focus on one skill and getting the benefits out of it, putting that into something else that was higher leverage, something that was gonna make me more money much faster. I would say focus on one skill first. That could be sales, that could be appointment setting, could even be copywriting. I mean, what we personally do is teach people how to get into appointment setting and remote sales. But pick one skill, get extremely good at it. In fact, become the best at what you do. Instead of your focus being split across 2, 3, 4 different areas in business, you can now channel all that time and attention into one thing. And the man who chases 2 rabbits chases none. I'll give an example, right? We had a student come in, she was going to university, and she was also trying to do copywriting, but it didn't work out. So she came to me, she wanted to learn how to do this whole remote sales and appointment setting thing. In a span of 12 months, she's now earning 6K a month, around there, 4 to 6K a month. And she's not even running her own business. Like, she's just focused all day, every day, replying to people in the DMs for a business that's already doing $100,000 a month. She just has to sit there and type messages and send them. That's it, and get at communication. And now she's been able to, give back to her parents. She recently bought her mom a new phone. She's taken her parents out for steak dinners, and she's also been able to drop out of university. In the next couple months, she's going to be moving into her own place, and she's only 20 years old. So that is one example right there where if you focus on one skill, and especially if it's sales or communication related, that can be the ticket for you to actually getting where you want to go. A lot of you guys, you get into one thing, it doesn't work out, you don't have any leverage, you don't have any connections, you're not good at what you do, you're not skilled, you don't have any money that you can put behind something, and now you're sitting here complaining while you're still in your 9 to 5. You're still here complaining while you're still going to uni and you're stuck. It's because you have no leverage. You haven't built any sort of leverage for yourself. Why would someone want to pay you money and work with you, right? You have to ask yourself that question. I just wanted to make this quick rant, this quick talking head video because, again, it's just what I've seen time and time again. And if I can go back in time and save myself the 8 years of figuring out how to run a business from scratch, I would do it again, and this time just focus on one thing. And it just happens to be in remote sales and appointment setting. I'm going to do a quick plug because chances are if you're still sticking around at this point in the video, you're probably wondering what it is I actually do. Like I've said it's appointment setting, it's remote sales, but what the fuck does that actually entail? What does that mean? So if you're curious, just go to the rest of my channel. Okay, you can hit me up on IG. My IG is down below. I'm not gonna do a hard plug. I'm gonna do it now actually. If you wanted to work with me one-on-one, then the link's in the description. But again, if you just had any questions, if you were curious about this video, or you're just curious about what I do and what my clients do, then the rest of the YouTube videos are there. Been documenting the journey since 2020, so that's like 5-6 years almost. You can literally see me go from my sharing a bunk bed with my brother in the UK, and then moving to Thailand in a villa, and then now coming back here in the motherland in Philippines. All the proof is there, all the receipts are there if you're skeptical. But again, if you had any questions, then you can go to the rest of the YouTube sauce, or you can go to my DMs on Instagram. Just want to help you guys. If it helps someone out there, then I feel like I've done my job. If you did like this video, then like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. But other than that, you guys are just a few steps away from greatness. Gonna wrap it up here. Take care, everyone, and peace.